Ever wanted to print stickers that can go on any surface like fabric, glass, plastic, or even curved products and still look flawless? This is where DTF printing steps in. Hi, I'm Venus from Veesham Printing Press, and in this video, let's learn more about DTF stickers. DTF is short for direct-to-film printing, and unlike regular vinyl or paper stickers, DTF stickers are printed on a special transfer film and then heat laminated. This results in smooth, durable, and vibrant print that sticks beautifully without peeling or cracking. DTF is especially useful in situations where UV printing is not possible, like on uneven or heat-sensitive materials, and so you can use them where the surface might not be flat enough for UV. Ceramic mugs, bottles, plastic cups, travel mugs, mouse, power banks, PVC packaging. So, that was DTF stickers, a very simple but powerful branding technique. Contact us on the number below to start your own unique printing. Until we see you with another topic, take care and bye.